Good afternoon, everybody. We are going to Nkwo market. Yeah, this is the first Nkwo I am going. That's the first market run I'm going since I came back. Because yeah, you guys know I've been in confinement. So we are going to Nkwo. I have Oge with me. Oge is Mama's favorite person, and you guys know that I have 1.5 arms. I keep saying it. Some of you say I say that my arm is half dead. Somebody told me don't say it again. Yeah. So that's why they went and called Mama's favorite person, Oge, to come and join me. So Oge will be holding Auntie's bag today. Oge, say hi to my friends.
We greet you all.
Oh no, go again. See, look what voice, sir.
Okay, international.
And as always, I have a jelly with me. 3,000 naira. 1 painter of tomato. Yeah, joke wait. Next space. Next space. He had a one bought like a tomato 3,000. Which time was that? Yeah, this year, no? Or last year. What's going on, mommy? Eh? Good luck, Ochiri. Upon my nature. But good luck on channel 3,000. Buhari web at a Buhari. And may video I knew. Manana may video. You check us a tag on my tongue. I got a quick space. Yeah, I found my food space. Let's rearrange it. Actually, one na TV. Wakwa hana na akwụgwọ before agba na TV. Anakwa ma ayo mmadụ biko. In fact, onye chi gba na TV ma ya akwụta ụgwọ. Okay, is leading me to her customer's shop because I don't know any customer here. I don't have any my customer. Good afternoon, ma. Mwakwala anu the flesh. Ala me say anu kan lese. Chori gba. Ina half ta anu kan ne.
Bia ma za ta anu lese. Mama we do do ki ne around. The fresh. See premium kanda. If you know see premium kanda with flesh, enough flesh inside, not just the skin. This is the black cow tribe. They didn't pour hot water on it, that's why it's black like that. In eastern Nigeria, they don't pour hot water. But in Lagos, we find white ones because they pour hot water. I prefer that one. 7,000. Hey. Oh, it's quite new if you can know. Or gold. Gold, I need me. First born, your madam, fine. I can 5,000. I don't like canoe natural white like this. You like 4,000. Another quarter, now, Buhonin, for 7,000 now, I first market. Eh? 6,800. Yeah, you just 7 like 6,800, madam. 200 naira. But for Nuro, what's the 6,800 direct? I chop a me go cook one moment. I put a good in cash first. Now you go give me.
For last. And I may video your mom. Your mom never woman a man say here. Ma'am. Oh, you name me hot on at 12 and essay. Because of that, I'm go to Gan man or like you. I don't got about you who would less about it. He insisted on 7.5. This one is 5,000. That I go tell Deb. Onye ano here. No gelege. Mgbe shiwe na fun mo na ege. Ke ki sele. Okay, 300 is going into this. See? Oh, nwoke na-ele ihe ebe a. Again, nwoke ka mma na ebe a. O shop ya ihe.
Ndị otu onye nwanyị.
O di. Wa bịa nye m tomato, bịa choose. Ya mind kwa ihe a na-ese. I just na-eme video. What do you want?
This size each.
Get the best one because I know na. Ihe no ni ihe na dia n'ime awuhozi tomato. So get the tomato. Look at all the brands of tomato. So many brands. You want Oderica? Ngwa wetewe nke inwe bịa weta ofu ka mfu. Ke nke na-ego? Okay.
Anjunu. Sarah Anjunu ko.
Madam bịa godo weta ka ngwo label ya. Okay. Ke Sarah ma. Tomato dị n'afịa dizi too much. Nke a nwa wo. Ọsọsọ tomato na nnu dị na nke. Double concentrated tomato paste. Nke ndị na-eshi hotel na-eyi. What ego na unka? 350. Madam, kezi iwa na enweghị dị gị na akakwa agbasakwa iwu were elesi ma. Ke you na-emeri iwu like this? Ke you na-emeri iwu like this? Choka seta utie na TV. Ngosi na onye n'ihu ya adịghị mma ase onye na-ere ahịa. Onye na-ere ahịa ọ ga-ada. Di gị mbịa ebe anụnwa ka o si eresi m ahịa hia. Ifo ka m bịa sị gị na nna achọ nwoke na-ana ebe a. Ihe mee m mmadụ nwoke na-ana ebe a. Like ntị ya here. Ndị anyị na-ada edowewe ebe a. Ndị a 1,000. Ọ dị egwu. Ka ihe si agalọn na this country. Ọgụ a na-ele nke ọchara acha. Mana ọwụghọ gị nwa. Ama m na ọwụghọ gị nwa na ama m onye ọ nọ na vidiyo ịchọ ngosi gị vidiyo ka ife onye cheka ntest nke ọ ya bụ nke ahụ adịghị mma ka mgbadata ebe ozugbo. Hey, onye bụ nke na-ede ka ji o. Nta nke side down, nke dị mma mbịa. We are going to test onugbu 2 miles away. Onugbu a dịkwa fresh. Hey, onugbu nke a akwụkwọ ya dịcha obodobo otu. Hey, madam, ọ dịkazi bold. Eziokwu ala ikọkwa m. Ọ dịcha obodobo luga. What's the good side that? Kebibi. Acho mi se tegebi na ahụ onu. Amamo gi agwa nu mbe. I prefer muka. Chakwara acha. I prefer muka. Qu'est-ce qui c'est là?
From 100 to 50.
What's that going to 100? Come for 100. I think 150. How many hours do you want to take?
All of it is 6 hours.
6 hours! Madam, make an awful. Hasn't been a awful. Have you seen this is awful. On a no one. On a no enough. Number 6 is your fault. They're going to go. Only I don't make so far. Never did a crayfish, none no kunan. No, Miss Kun. It's your cancer. It's a thing. Hey, I'm going to smile. Oh, now my father. It's a cancer. Take what you want. It's a cancer. Hey, we're going to woolly change. Look at how she's cutting it. Hey, what I couldn't say woolly cut the thing. Look. Hey. Look at how she's cutting it. Hey. Cow, Oporoko, are you feeling a meg? Can you hear a meg? Take it, sell it. I don't know when I watch. I may go here. Okay, I want press man. The mother Charlie may have a good and a rain and I take it out because near Harigo. I talk I'm a go on and lay on.
I can do too much.
The fish can not. You go, madam. And I say a video because we can need a video. And I say a video. I can't say we are going home. You go to Kinele, Mama. You go to India. But then, Munka. You're more Pamugo Afia. I will not tell you that you have a mirror. No, come on. We had the wrong with Market also the actual on the press. That's on the press. What can live? I told her, but I try to do the Bacadillo. I know that. It's just like I do it all walk. No one can market survey. I have a market survey.
On a tape, boy, we are
The Etokanando no Umunze mepe. I'm out from no Umunze mepe. I may have sent a tape. And a tape. Do you want me to tape you? Tape you. I turned, but my camera died instantly, so I couldn't tape her. This is flour.
Yes,
1 kilo, I think, of flour. Got 2 kilos. What got 2 kilos? That's tomato. We blended it in the market. This is Ifafia. So it's agidi jollof. Ifafia. Plantains. Bitter leaf. You guys saw me when I was buying the bitter leaf. This is okuma that I'm going to be rubbing on my arm. Okuma nke na child too. Ginka hatere bikon. Hey. Okuma nka aru arigi. And this one is udake. The local hey, ingredients ethanol, treated water, gin go on here. Okudaki we hen. Gimbo kwani ha ma lebel ha ma. Oh, he was okay.
Level the bekee but all the called Mayoko.
Yeah, your mama got that kind of.
Eh, ha ke befunian.
You got here like this.
Yeah, I got hell
Or
my.
well,
I'm not so late.
Then stockfish. I'll be putting the prices on the screen. Garden egg. This is spicy peanut butter that we used to eat the garden egg. Or this one, yeah, okwose. Imano for na bi osoji. Mana wo osoji. Ihe no wo okwose. Mo na had an argument yesterday. Osoji wo ose. Actual ose. Actual pepper. This one granite, you can also use it to eat that. This is sugar. This is soya milk. I like drinking this thing. Okay. This is the meat, crayfish, cocoyam. This one is the cow skin. Translation call it. Kanda okwibo. And this is the plastic bag. This is the plastic bag I bought that I used to put them in the freezer, the meat in the freezer. Okay. I bought tomato paste, even though, in spite of the discussion we're having, I bought it anyway because I don't know. This one, I just believe that these ones will not kill me. But after this, I have to watch it because, man, we bought eggs. This egg, 1 crate, 1,002. I bought this sachet peak chocolate. Although Bebe likes to drink it. And then my favorite milk, peak evaporated milk. You know, we don't have access to fresh milk in Nigeria, so this is the one I drink. And you have Milo, cocoa drink, and you have Dano. Shish milk. I couldn't film more in the market because the sun was so hot. In fact, my phone got very hot and couldn't record again. Okay? So I tell you how much is here now. This small thing. Things are very expensive in Nigeria. Telling you the truth. Things are so expensive. You heard what the woman in the market said that one basket of tomatoes was 3,000 naira during Goodluck Jonathan's presidency. But now that Buhari has come and Buhari us, one basket of tomato is 30-something thousand. No, it's not funny, I'm telling you. How can somebody's presidency be plagued with hardship? When he was a military head of state, it was plagued with hardship. Now that he's a civilian, plagued with hardship. Anyway, 3 years to go.